Have you ever wondered why some compliments stay in a woman's mind all day, while others get a quick thank you and disappear 5 seconds later? The difference is simple. Most guys compliment what a woman looks like. But if you want your words to actually mean something, you need to make her feel noticed. So here are 3 woman-melting phrases that hit a little differently. The first one, you have this way of making everything more fun. Maybe she makes you laugh when you're having a boring day. Maybe she turns a simple coffee into a 2-hour conversation. Or maybe she's just naturally playful whenever she's around you. When you notice that and tell her, you're not complimenting her appearance. You're complimenting the feeling she creates. And that's powerful, because people naturally want to spend more time with someone who makes them feel good. The second one, I really like the way your mind works. This one is especially powerful because it tells her that you're attracted to more than just what you see. Maybe she comes up with a completely unexpected answer, has an interesting opinion, or notices something everyone else missed. Instead of saying, you're smart, make it personal. Say, I really like the way your mind works. It sounds simple, but it tells her something deeper. You're actually paying attention to who she is. And the third one, save this for the right moment. Look at her and say, you're even more attractive when you're not trying to be. Maybe she's laughing uncontrollably, talking about something she loves, fixing her hair without thinking, or simply being completely comfortable around you. That's the moment, because you're not telling her she needs makeup, perfect clothes, or a certain expression to look beautiful. You're telling her that the version of her that isn't trying to impress anyone is the version you find irresistible. But here's the part most guys get wrong. Don't throw these compliments at her one after another. That instantly makes them sound rehearsed. Use one when the moment actually fits, and say it like you mean it. Because the goal isn't to make her fall for you with a magic sentence. The goal is to make her feel that you see something in her that other people might overlook. And honestly, that's what makes a compliment unforgettable. Now click on this video because this shows 8 physical traits that turn women on. Do subscribe. Don't miss this one. Click here. I'll see you in this video.